Hello friends, I am Kesav Murthy. I am an HRCom educational consultant. In this video, we will look at what are the various computer science branches available for a student who completed 12th standard and who wants to join engineering, BE or BTech. The degrees given are either BE or BTech, and then there is a big demand for computer science branches in the last couple of years. So because of which various reputed colleges they are offering more than 3 or 4 branches now. Earlier they used to have only 2 branches. Now they are offering more than 3 or 4 branches. In all put together, I could list down nearly 17 branches which are available in various colleges in Tamil Nadu. The two major basic branches are one is BE BTech Computer Science Engineering. It is in short it is called CSC. The second is computer BE BTech Information Technology. It is in short, it's called Information Technology, IT. Now, what are the other branches? One is Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Bioinformatics is one new branch. And then Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Internet of Things, that is IoT, it is called. And Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Data Science, and Computer Science Engineering with specialization in blockchain technology, and Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. In short, it's called AI and ML. So let us look at these branches in this sheet. So here the top 2 branches are the mother branches. It is there in most of the colleges. In addition to that, at least 2 or 3 more branches you can see in most of the colleges. Particularly data science you can see, and artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is very common. And even IoT is also quite commonly available in various colleges. Okay, let us look at the other branches. What are the other branches? Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Cyber Physical Systems is another branch. And then Computer Science Engineering with specialization in AI and Robotics. AI refers to Artificial Intelligence. And Computer Science Engineering with specialization in Information Security. It is nothing but your cyber security. And Computer Science Engineering with Big Data Analytics. And Computer Science Engineering with Cloud Computing. Computer Science Engineering with Cloud and Mobile Application. And Computer Science Engineering and Business Systems. And there are other courses. BE BTech in Information Sciences and Engineering is another course. BE BTech Computer and Communication Engineering. And then BE BTech Electronics and Computer Engineering. So there are totally about 17 courses, branches in Computer Science Engineering. So one need not bother, if you are really interested in computer science, you will get one of these branches in one of the top colleges. Only thing is, when you choose a college, you have to keep 3-4 things in mind. One is like you look at a college which has enrolled more than 50% of the students, because now many colleges they are not able to enroll full capacity, so they were able to enroll only partial capacity. So don't go to a college where the enrollment is less than 50%. The reason being, they are not in a position to afford the quality teachers or reputed experts. That is the main thing. The faculty availability will not be there. The second is like you look at a college where the teacher ratio is 20:1. That is, for every 20 students, they have to have one teacher. So when we say teacher or faculty, it comprises of professors, associate professors, assistant professors, lecturers, etc. Then they have what is called a cadre ratio. That is, professor is to associate professor is to assistant professors should be in the ratio of 1:2:6. So you just check whether they have such a ratio, and then you can such colleges can be considered to be better colleges. Then last but not the least, look at their placement record, not what they have claimed in their brochure or in their website, but you check with the old students and try and see how many were placed and what kind of companies have come for campus placement or off-campus placement. All these things you can look at. Then you decide which college to join. That is more important, because when you complete this course and come to the market, job market, it will be another 4 years from now. At that point of time, unless you have a degree with reputed colleges and good knowledge on that particular subject, it may be difficult for you to get placed in a good companies. So make sure that you join a good company, good college, and then gain the knowledge required for that particular subject, and then you will be highly successful when you come out of the college. Hope this particular information is useful to you. If you feel it is useful, you can share it to your friends. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.